So now, then after our grid, then we'll talk about subject position. Control V. Subject position. Talk about subject position. Talk about subject position. About position. We have a position. Subject. Position. So you see that the font size is very big, so they may not. So what you now do is that you can reduce it so they can have the same format with this one. So all you need to do now is to select them. Let's make it 11. Then you can have space. So you see that, make sure that all of them here are always the same, so you have a good, make sure they are always having the same size. So when it comes to this report card, it has to do with creativity. You have to be very creative. So here now you now make sure you control C and control V to copy the line. Control C, control V. Okay. Delete. Control C, control V. You come here and put them like this. Control C, control V. Control S. Design. So you guys are going to. So this place is where you're going to be putting your grade and other subjects. So the same thing you're going to do it with here. Control C, control V. it again like this. The same thing, you do the same thing to control. Let's put Ctrl V. They stay in the clipboard. That's how you're going to be doing it. Ctrl S. The reason why I'm closing it because of the now that you have this one now, then here now you cannot copy this one. You cannot choose this one, click on this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then you can bring this one here. So let me close it again. So now you will now be the one to arrange it. You are going to do for, you will now come to this place, you cannot copy and say, you cannot copy Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So this will carry your mathematics. It all depends how you want to do it. Mathematics. The podcast design normally takes a lot of time. So make sure they're of the same size. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, you put your English there. Ctrl C. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to copy my own report card. I'm going to send it to your, I'm going to send it to your together with this one, so you're able to see what I did with my own report card. So Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C. So here you change it to English. And you now put English. English. After you've done that, you do all. Then you now come to this place. Then you now come down here. You know that of English, you know mathematics, Abby. So you pick this one, mathematics. You pick, you know this one is test 1, test 2. You know this one too is exam. So automatically you know that this one is also, or if you want to do everything, pick everything also for you can now come here. Then make sure you delete this label. Remove this one. Then you can come and put the C1 here. The C2 here. Then So you now come straight to the, that's how you're going to do for all the whole subject. And then you now come straight to this one is grade. Where's for the total now? You come for the total now. This one is T mathematics. You click for T mathematics. Make sure you cancel the label. You put this one here, total. Then you put this one here like this. And then you can now select them and put them from that central. Make it darker, central. So here is now grade. So the grade is like we use G1 for grade. We use G1 for grade. You click on it. You come here and then you put the grade here. You can now centralize it. So the same thing is applicable if you want to put 30, 30, 30, just the way I did. All you need to do is to make this line smaller, then make this one to come this place, and then put your 30. All you need to do is to copy, is to go to this place. You can copy this one, or you can go to design, go to this place like this, pick, and then you can now put your 30, and then you centralize it. So this report card, we are going to have close to like 5 classes on it. But when you get the idea, that is all. Then here you can now copy. You can say Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Then you can now create another space for it whereby they will be entering, just like what I'm going to send now. So that's what I'm going to be doing for all the report card. So this is just the part 2 of the report card. So that's what you're going to be doing. And after that, you put the grade. So let's test and see. So Ctrl S. Let's view now. Then we now have 3 students, class, science. So I'm going to send you my own copy of the podcast after this one. Then 2023 term 1. See, look at it now. Look at all the scores we have now. Look at all the scores. Look at the grid. So now when it comes to the report card, you'll now be the one to settle down to design it how it works. So gradually I'm going to be adjusting it and be sending it to you until you get to the desired time when you're satisfied. So thank you very much.